Hey everybody, Sean here, and welcome to Revealing Truth. And special thanks to Stephen Svett for sharing. We're going to keep this short and sweet today. This is the site we're looking at today, Prophetic Insight. And I couldn't even find the guy's name who's in charge. But apparently, he's just sharing what he's seeing and hearing in the Spirit. What spirit is the real question? He thinks it's God, and says God showed Shiba Inu taking off after crying out to him. And God gave him multiple confirmations on this one. This is so crazy that he says that God confirmed the Crypto Luna Classic in the Bible. And he's also promoting the unbiblical wealth transfer like those in the New Apostolic Reformation do. But apparently, God's really interested in crypto because everybody and their dog seems to be getting insight on this. Could God give someone guidance on what crypto to buy? Sure, he can do anything. Would he do this though? Personally, I don't think so because that would be a form of cheating. Hey there, false prophet. Being that I'm God, I know all things, and I'm telling you to buy this crypto now. But I guarantee that not all the stories are going to match from these attention seekers, which just further proves they're phonies. And some of these people have already been proven to be false prophets in the past, yet foolish people continue to follow them. I, for one, don't trust pretty much anybody that labels themselves or promotes themselves as a prophet, or claims they're giving you prophetic insight from God on things like cryptocurrency. But that's just me. What about you? Please share your comments about all these crypto prophets, whether they're good or bad, and let's get a discussion going on this. But that's where we're going to leave it for today. So until next time, take care and God bless.